and the pre-winter chills will be back here before you know it. So hang on to those coats. You'll need them. Let's check it out. As of the noon hour today, we have rain working across the region. We've had a pretty wet morning so far, most of it on the light side. A little break in the action right now from the Niagara Frontier down into sections of the southern tier and extending up into southern Ontario. But this is only temporary because you can see what's happening back here to the west. Definitely more rain and all. This is going to be pushing in our direction this afternoon. So rain will be increasing once again after this brief break in the precipitation. It's only temporary. Let's broaden out the view here, and you can see that next surge now starting to work up across eastern Ohio, out into Lake Erie, mid-Lake Erie, and that's going to be making a beeline for the area this afternoon. We'll be into that for a good portion of the afternoon, even into the overnight period, at least for a while, and some moderate to heavy downpours will be possible as a result of that. Well, with the increasing rainfall, the greatest threat, at least for some flooding, will be down here in Cattaraugus and Allegheny County and the northern tier counties of PA, where the Weather Service has gone ahead and issued a flood watch late tonight through late Wednesday. And checking the wind speeds at noontime, this is another big weather issues today. The greatest wind speeds have been occurring right along the lakeshore here, with a gust up to 58 miles per hour down at the Dunkirk Lighthouse, and actually gusts to 41 miles per hour so far this morning at the Buffalo Airport. The past hour, though, the peak gust at the airport 33, 35 from the Falls. And I suspect even from Buffalo northward this afternoon, we'll probably have some wind gusts of the order of 40 to 45. It's down along the lakeshore, the Erie Lakeshore, especially south of Sturgeon Point and some of the higher hilltops to the south of the city. We might have some of those gusts up to 60 miles per hour this afternoon. And a high wind warning is issued to cover that. That's in effect through 3 p.m. this afternoon. A lesser wind advisory for Wyoming and Cattaraugus County for possible wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour. Lake effect snow watch in effect. This has just been issued prior to noontime by the Weather Service for Erie, Genesee, Wyoming, Chautauqua, Cattaraugus County from Wednesday afternoon through Thursday evening. Checking this all out now on the microcast, and you can see we're into the wet weather still for this afternoon and into the evening hours. The possibility of some ponding of water even across northern areas due to poor drainage, and then getting into the overnight period, that rain will start to wind down a little bit as we get toward the morning hours tomorrow. The rain converting over to snow showers for Wednesday, and it's as the colder air deepens across the region getting into tomorrow night and Thursday, that lake effect snow is going to set up right along the lakeshore here. It looks like the prime target for this will be the southern suburbs of Buffalo, the ski country of southern Erie County and Wyoming County, though this band could fluctuate a little bit, so areas to the north could be brushed by it briefly, and areas to the south down here, especially getting into the southern tier, might get a little bit of the action as well. There is an indication that it may weaken a little bit as we get toward Thursday afternoon. Temperatures very mild as of the noon hour. 55 from the Falls, 54 at Buffalo, 48 down here at Jamestown, 45 at Brantford. And the forecast, the sunset time at 4:42 this afternoon as we check it out for the rest of this afternoon. Periods of rain redeveloping, windy, some moderate to heavy downpours, and highs 49 across the higher terrain to about 55 in the city. Tonight, rain continuing, some heavy downpours, ponding of water in poor drainage areas, winds diminishing 37 to 41. Tomorrow, rain changing over to snow showers with temperatures falling through the 30s, and then lake snow will start to set up by later tomorrow, getting into tomorrow night. Again, the main focus for that should be the immediate southern suburbs of Buffalo, southern Erie County, and Wyoming County, and that's where it will sit on Thursday as well. Some scattered snow showers elsewhere, 32 to 37 degrees. Just some lighter scattered snow showers to wrap up the week on Friday, 38. Not much of a warm-up heading our way this weekend either, 35 on Sunday.
All right, we're not catching a break.
Not exactly.
All right. Thanks, Mike.